Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Dr. Shaharudin and my fellow friends. So in this video, our group will present assessment 3.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shazmil Izzat bin Muhammad Suhaimi. My ID number 2022600168. So this is for assignment MAT 565. So for the task 1, so the function for event is fx pi plus x if negative pi uh, if x is more or equal to negative pi below than 0, and the function number 2 pi minus x if x is more than 0 or equal to 0 or less than or equal pi. So the period is 2 pi. So this is the graph. As you can see, a0 is 1 over pi, limit pi, negative pi, fx dx. Answer is pi. For an, 1 over pi, the limit pi over negative pi, fx cos nx dx. The answer is 2 and 2 pi, 1 minus cos n pi. So for bn and pi, limit pi over negative pi, fx sin nx dx. So the final answer for bn is 0. So for odd function, the function is fx x minus 2 bracket 0 x is more than 0, less than 2. The function negative pi bracket x plus 2 x more than negative 2, less than 0. So this is the graph for odd function. So n0 1 over l, limit l negative l, fx dx. So answer is 0. So for an, the formula is 1 over l, limit l negative l, fx cos n pi x l dx. The answer is the answer we get is 0. And the formula is 1 over l, l negative l, fx sin n pi x per l dx. Last answer for bn is 16 and divide by n pi 3 n pi 3 cos n pi plus 1. And lastly for neither even or no odd function, so the fx is x if x more or equal to 0, less than 1, and 1 if x more or equal to 1, less or equal to 2. Period 2. So given period 2l equal to 2, so l equal to 1. So this is the graph. So for n0, the limit is to 0, fx dx. So it's 3 t over 2. So for an, the limit is 2 over 0, fx cos n pi x dx. So for an is n divided by n pi power of 2 bracket cos n pi minus 1. And lastly for bn, the limit is to 0, 2 and 0, fx sin n pi dx. And the answer for bn is negative 1 n pi divide 1 divide n pi. So therefore fx 3 divided by 4 plus 1 divide n pi power of 2 cos n pi minus 1 bracket cos n pi x minus 1 n pi 1 divided by n pi sin n pi x. So that's all for task 1. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azad Harith. My student number is 2022 So today I will explain about the task 2. So the task 2 is find any function fx, expand the function by sketching and give expansion for the series and for the cosine series. The function for cosine series is cos x over 2. So first I classify the function, then we get the function in sequence. So the value of Bn is 0 and we need to find the n. So next find the intercept and we will get the graph like this. Then find the n0. So we integrate the cos x over 2 first. Then we will get the final answer for n0 is 4 over pi. Next, we will find the n. So by using the trigonometric identity, we will change the form for the function to this form and integrate the function, and we will get the final value for n is this. So we just substitute the value that we get to the general form, and we get the final answer. Next, the sine series. So this is the function for the sine series. So we classify the function. We find the function is odd function. So the value of n is 0, and we find the bn. So next, the point intercept, substitute the value, and we get this graph. Next, find the value of bn, integrate the function. Then by using the tubular method, we will find the final answer, this one. And after get the value, we just substitute the value to the general form and we get the answer. Next, the Fourier series, which is neither. So this is the function. So classify the function, which is the function is neither even or not a function. So that next, find the intercept, and we get the graph is like this, and find the n0. The value for n0 is -1, and then find the n which is equal to 0, and bn, we integrate the value of the function and we get the final answer is this, and then substitute all the value to the general form and we get the final answer. That's all for me. Okay.
For me, I will explain about task 3. So these are the values that I put, which is the y value. So below the table, we can see the summation of the every parts we need to find until the third harmonic. First, we must find a naught, which is the formula is 1 over 6 summation yr. Then we can find c naught, which is 1 over 2 times a naught. So when we get all the summation, we can insert in the formula a1 and b1. So we can plot on the graph, which is the first quadrant, and the degree is 58.75 degree. For the second harmonic, the equation will be different. We can get from the table a2 is negative 0.433. So for the b2, we can get negative 0.404. So for the c2, we get 0.592. Plotting will be on the negative side, which is on the third quadrant. The alpha 2, which is, so we get 226.984 degree. So for the third harmonic, we can get from the table. So we get the alpha 3 and b3. Both alpha 3 and b3 are negative. So the plotting will be on the third quadrant. We get 264.613. So after we get all the value, we must insert it on the formula fx, which is c naught plus c1 sine x plus alpha, and so on. So that's all from us. Stay safe and thank you for listening.